how to change date on Facebook post. So let's get started. First thing first, you'll have to go to the any web browser and log into your Facebook account. So basically guys, you cannot use this feature in Facebook app, so you will have to log into any web browser to enable this feature. So once you are in your Facebook logged in, then all you have to do is tap on the profile icon available in the top left corner to navigate to your profile. Now once on your profile, simply scroll down and find the post you want to change date of. Then simply tap on the three dot and a drop down menu will appear, and tap on the edit date option available there. Once you tap on the edit date, you will get to see a calendar option available there, and simply choose it according to your preferences and tap on the save. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.